Three, two, one. Joe reviews Cameradactyl cameras, part two.
Hey, I think I'm going to shop around at Cameradactyl cameras. Let's see. What are all the stuff they have? Oh, what is this Pinholio? Let's look at the Pinholio camera. Oh, I've heard about these. Yes, that's right. Well, actually, I was here when Ethan was working on it and saw the first prototypes. So this was a camera that came about because we were talking about being able to shoot a small size pinhole image in a camera and be able to develop the paper directly in the camera itself. And Ethan had this great ingenious idea of a screw off pinhole with a screw on pour spout and having the shutter behind the pinhole or pour spout to block the light. And so in practice, the body fits together really neat. It's a double kind of a double inner outer wall camera. It fits together really easy. It uses a shutter that opens up like to block the light, enable you to pour chemical in there through the pour spout. And it's captive. You can't pull the shutter completely out of the camera once you assemble it, so that makes it really handy. What I like about it, though, is it is rugged, made of plastic and all kinds of different colors you can print, and it's simple. You load up a little square, roughly 2-inch square of paper, and take it out somewhere, open up the shutter, take your pinhole exposure, and again, if you have chemistry right there with you, a little bottle of developer and fixer, you can swap out the pinhole for the pour spout and develop it right on site. And then you have a nifty little pinhole photo. If you're shooting Harman direct positive paper, you can get these direct positive little pinhole pictures right out there in the field. You have your choice of all kinds of different colors. I like the of course black camera body with the teal light blue body cap. That's really cool. So this is Joe Van Cleve. I really love the Pinholio camera. It's a great idea. You guys should get one.